Something is happening in the world, and most people don't even see it yet. This is not just technology. This is a shift that is changing everything. Artificial intelligence is already part of your life, and the truth is, you're already inside it. Every time your phone predicts what you're about to type, that's not magic. That's intelligence. Every recommendation, every suggestion, every system that understands you, that is artificial intelligence. But here's the real question. Do you actually understand it? Or are you just hearing the word AI without knowing its real power? Because AI is not just one thing. It's not just robots or chatbots. It's a system of multiple powerful technologies, and understanding it can change your future. Artificial intelligence is about making machines think like humans, to learn, to reason, to decide. But it wasn't always like this decades ago. AI was just a dream. Early systems did not learn. They followed rules, simple instructions written by humans. If this happens, do that. These were called expert systems, powerful, but limited. Then everything changed. Instead of programming machines, we started teaching them. This is where machine learning was born. We gave them data, patterns, examples, and they began to learn on their own. Suddenly, machines could predict. They could detect patterns humans might miss. They could find problems before they happened. In fields like cybersecurity, this became powerful because one small anomaly can change everything. But then we went even deeper. Deep learning, machines that mimic the human brain, using layers of neural networks so complex that even we don't fully understand them. And then everything exploded. Generative AI, not just analyzing data, but creating something new. Text, images, voices, even videos. This is why AI feels almost human. But this power can also be dangerous. The line between real and artificial is disappearing. And now we are at a turning point. You can ignore this or understand it, because those who understand AI will shape the future. Subscribe to International Science Academy and be part of what comes next.